In this second lesson, we are going to create a general map of Alberta. At the beginning of the video, we are going to be talking about coordinate systems and how it works in Quantum GIS. We are going to check different options. Also, we are going to see how to change from the geographic coordinate systems in degrees to projected coordinate systems in meters. Also, we are going to be working with the attribute tables at the vector files. Also, we are going to edit the attribute table and edit the vector layers. Okay. Then we are going to install a plugin called Processing to make some geoprocessing with vectorial files. Then we are going to cut a vector layer with the tool Clip. And also we are going to be working with labels for vector files. And finally, we are going to export the project as an image. We are going to visit today a couple of websites. That one are going to be Geographic and Spatial Reference related to coordinate systems. Okay, guys? Hello, guys. Today we are going to create a general map of Alberta as we said in lesson 1. But first, I would like to show you what kind of map we are going to create. Just go here, Geographic. This website, we was talking about this website last lesson. Here we have to go to topography information. Then we have to go to science. Sorry, geography. The Atlas of Canada. Explore our maps. Then it's going to be reference maps. Here in these options, you have to go here, reference maps, and then provincial and territorial. Okay. We are going to create a map like this one with the rivers, name of the cities, principal lakes, highways. Okay. That's what we are going to do today. The files we are going to use today to do the map is going to be these files. We downloaded the other day the files in lesson 1. But first, I would like to talk a little bit about referent coordinate systems. Okay. As you can see here, the coordinate systems that the software is going to use for default is going to be this one, WGS 84, and the code is EPSG 4326. That's one of the most popular. You can get some information. I'm going to take a note of the number 4326. If you want to get some information about this coordinate system, you can go Google, put the code and the number EPSG. That it means European Petroleum System Group. The code number is 4326. This first option, and here you have all the information for these coordinate systems. Okay. And for example, let's go to open aerial, Bing aerial. Let's go to try to look for Edmonton in this map. Hopefully. Okay, I believe it's this area here. Yeah, it's that one. Then to move on the map, just click the hand and you can move the map. Okay. And now, if we go here, now you can see we are using this kind of coordinate systems. Selected coordinate reference systems is QGIS 84 Pseudo Mercator. Okay, that's a geographic coordinate systems, and the unit for this kind of coordinate systems is in degrees. But let's go to change that one here. Go to project properties, general, and here coordinate display coordinates using, you have to choose here decimal degrees, apply. Okay, and now you have the coordinates in degrees. Okay, here also at the project properties, you are going to see here what kind of coordinate systems in coordinate reference systems, this option, because there are different options. You have to go to this one. You are going to see here what kind of coordinate systems you are using in this moment. Okay, cancel. Let's go to close this one, remove, and also I'm going to close this one, and I'm going to open the software again because I want to show you one thing about the coordinate reference systems. Okay, now we are going to add vectorial information. To do that one, just go here, click this button, add vector layer, then go browse. As you can see here, well, first let's go to the folder. Is this folder? We are going to load the province shapefile. Okay, this one. But as you can see here, you just can see one file, but in this folder there are a lot of files. That is what you are going to see. Okay, but if you click here and you select just to see shape files, that one is going to make easy to find a file, because sometimes there are a lot of files inside the folder, and you may this option that is going to do the job easy. Click and open. Okay, that's the province of Alberta. If you want to see what kind of coordinate systems you have for this file, just click right here and layer panel. Click right, go to this option, set layer CRS, coordinate reference systems, and you're going to see here what kind of coordinate system you have for this file. In this case is NAT83. This is the coordinate reference systems for the name, and this is for the code EPSG 4269. If you Google this code, you are going to get some information. Okay, maybe this kind of coordinate systems NAT83 is going to be good if you are working with all the province in all Canada, but we are going to work just with the province of Alberta. Okay, then we want a specific coordinate systems that is going to work for this province. Okay, then we have to change that one. If you click here, able on the fly coordinate system transformation, you can change from one coordinate systems to a different one. Okay, for example, we can choose this one, apply, and okay, and now you have a different map because you have a different kind of coordinate systems. Okay, but the one I want to use for the province of Alberta is this one. That it's not a geographic coordinate system, that it's a projected coordinate system. It means that you are going to have the units in meters. Okay, apply, and okay, as you can see here, now the province of Alberta, it's at the middle of the map. Okay, And also, in order to see the difference between one, this is in UTM, okay? In order to see one coordinate system and another one, the difference we are going to load again. The same layer is this one, okay, but we are going to use different coordinate systems for this one in order to see what is the difference, okay? Then if you go clear here, click here, properties, you see that one is in NAT 83, okay? But now we are working in NAT 83 Alberta 10 TM, okay? What I'm going to do with this one, for example, is save as, okay? Then we are going to change the coordinate systems for this layer. I mean, we have a couple of maps here, this one and this one, the lila and the brown, okay? Then for the brown, we are going to change the coordinate systems. To do that one, just go here, save as. Then here, you can change the name. We are going to use the same, but we are going to add here NAT 83 10 TM, okay? That it means what is the coordinate systems for this file. Save. And here is the original one. No, here is the one we want. We want this one. And then the other parameters is okay. Then let's go to press OK. And now let's go to close this one. Close to discard. If we check the folder, okay, we are going to see that now we have duplicate the files, okay? That one is the one we created now with a different kind of coordinate systems, okay? And we have all the formats as same as the old one, okay? Now let's go to load these files to see the difference, okay? No, this one, okay. Here, browse, okay, we have these two. This one is the one we created. Open, and now you can see set layer coordinate reference systems. Now the coordinates we have for this file is this one, okay? Cancel, but if we close this one, close, remove, okay? And now if we add the other one, this one, we are going to see that that one is a different one because we have different kind of coordinate systems. Here is this one, okay? But there are other important things. Discard. Now let's go to see another important thing. We can define what kind of coordinate systems we want before to start any project. To do that one, just go here, project properties. Then we have to select CRS, click enable on-fly coordinate reference systems transformation, and now you can select what kind of coordinate systems you want. In this case, I'm going to choose this one, NAT 83 Alberta 10 TM Forest. Apply, OK. And now we are going to add. We have a couple of files. This one is NAT 8310 TM, and this one is NAT 83. We are going to load this one. Even that one is NAT 83. As we change here the properties for NAT 8310 TM Forest, okay, these one are going to be projected in this kind of coordinate systems, okay? You see, even here the kind of coordinate systems in these files is this one, NAT 83. As we have this option, click here, enable on-fly coordinate system transformation, we can change from one coordinate system to another kind of coordinate systems. Okay, also here. Okay, now you can see we are working in this kind of coordinate systems, but you have to be aware that the coordinate system you have for this file is this one. Okay, that's very important, because if we take out this one and apply, okay, and go to the zoom layer, as you can see, this one is the original one. Okay, it's not 83, but when you have this option click, you can change from one coordinate system to other kind of coordinate systems. Or even at the beginning of the project, if you go here to property, to project properties, and you click this box, you can select what kind of coordinate systems you want to use. Okay, then that is very good, because you can work with a different layers, with a different coordinate systems, okay, all together. Okay, that's the goal of this kind of thing. Okay, okay, that's it for the coordinate systems. We are going to start to do the map then. Let's go. First, I don't want this one, because what I'm going to use is all the maps with the same kind of coordinate systems. Okay, then what I'm going to do is load the other one, this one. This kind of coordinate systems, the units are in meters, and it's for the province of Alberta. Okay, it's a projected coordinate systems. Okay, I would like to show you for this kind of coordinate systems properties that you can go to Google. Is this one not? And you can see the information for this kind of coordinate systems. I'm going to copy the code. In this case is European Petroleum System Group 3400. Okay, I'm going to Google that one to see the information. Then go here to Google, put the code. The code is 3400. We said is this one, and as you can see here in the map, the red square indicate that this kind of coordinate systems is the most adequate for the province of Alberta, for all the province. Okay, because we can use UTM coordinates also, but the province of Alberta is divided into different zones. Okay, 10 and 11. Okay, but that one is just one zone for all the Alberta province. Okay, you have all the characteristics of these kind of coordinate systems here. Okay, let's go to close, and now let's go to open the attribute table. Just right click, open attribute tables, and you have here all the information for this file. Okay, if you select any road here, for example the province of Alberta is here, you are going to be here, the one you are selecting at the attribute table. Okay, we want the Alberta province. Then we have to do is select the opposites, invert selection, and now click on the pencil to edit the attribute table. Then click here, delete selected features. Okay, we are going to remove all the ones are selected. Okay, now we have the province of Alberta. Then you have to click again the pencil, and they ask, do you want to save the change to this file? Then yes. Okay, and now I'm going to close the attribute table, and now in this file here we have just the province of Alberta. Okay, is this file. Okay, now we are going to make some additions here. For example, go to properties here, and we are going to make this layer transparent. Okay, just click here, transparent, apply. Okay, now we are going to add the rivers, the lakes, and etc. Go here, browse, go to lesson 2. Now we are going to add the hydro features. Is this one. As you remember, we downloaded just the 5 million scale. Then we are going to add this one, this one. I'm not going to add the snow. I'm going to add this one and this one, and let's see. Okay, we have all the information for all Canada, but we have to cut just for the province of Alberta. Okay, first let's go to change the coordinate systems for these two layers, this one and this one, because as you can see here, they are in 983 and we want all the layers at the same coordinate systems. Okay, to do that one, just go here, save as, browse. This one is water bodies. This one, let's go to put here nat 83 10 tm. Save. Here you have to select the coordinates you want. Is this one. Okay, and also for this one, save as, browse. We set water bodies, water coast. This one, the same, nat 83 10 tm. Save. Oh, I make a mistake. No, I don't want this one. Remove. Okay, I have to here hydro. I have to remove all these ones from here to here. The light, yes. Okay, I don't want these ones. I want this one. Save as. Water course. Nat 83 10 tm. You have to be very organized when you are doing this kind of task, because you can make mistakes very easily. Okay, before I didn't change that one. I have to choose this one. Okay. Okay, now it's good. Now I don't want this one. Remove. Okay, and I don't want this one. Remove. Cancel. We didn't see any change between this one. I'm going to take this one out. Between this one and this one, there is no change. It is the same. That is because we have this option here. Click. Okay. Then, as we said before, when you load all the layers, okay, they are going to be projected in these coordinate systems. Okay, this one nat 83 Alberta 10 tm. Okay, that is because there is no difference between this one and this one. Even that one, it's nat 83. Okay, I know I'm repeating a lot this kind of stuff, but that it's very important to not mix the things on the maps. Okay, always we have to work with the same coordinate systems. Okay, now all these three layers are in nat 83 Alberta 10 tm. Okay, now we want to cut all these lakes and river just for the province of Alberta. Okay, then to do that one, just go we have to install first a plugin. That's very important, because when you click here, as you can see, there is no options. That one is going to be a Geo process. Then go manage the plugins. Okay, then the name for this plugin is processing. Is this one here. Just make sure you have checked the box. Okay, and then close. And now, as you can see, we have all these options. Okay, that is very important. Okay, then we have to select geoprocessing tools. We have to select clip. Then here we have to put the layer we want to cut. Okay, in our case it's going to be water bodies, and here click layer is going to be the shape. Okay, this one is going to be, we want to cut all this layer with this shape. Okay, then it's going to be the Alberta province, is this one. Then you can create a temporary layer. Okay, or you can save to the file. Okay, we are going to save directly. My computer, I would like to go to my desk. Lesson 2, hydro. This one we are going to call this one Alberta water body. And we are going to add the coordinate system. That one is going to be NAT 83 10 TM. It's good if you put always the coordinate systems to know what is the coordinate systems, right? To don't mix different kind of coordinate systems. Save and run. Okay, is this one clip. Then if we take this one out, as you can see, let's go to take this one. As you can see now, for the water bodies, at the red one we have just the province of Alberta. Okay, then we have to do the same for this one. Then go vector, geoprocessing, clip. Then the layer we are going to cut is going to be water bodies with the shape of this one. Is this one the province of Alberta? Sorry, this one. You can see here the province of Alberta. Okay, and let's go to save as a it was water course. This one, water course Alberta. Save and run. Okay, we don't want this one, remove. Okay, and we don't want this one. I did something wrong. Remove this one. I believe I did the same. Remove. Oh, what I did here. Hydro. I don't know what I did here. Remove these ones. Water course Alberta. Okay, that one is good. Remove these ones. Okay, let's go to add again the water course. This one, open. add. Okay, now we want vector, geoprocessing tools, clip. I have to add here watercourse. I'm going to cut with this layer and save as this one. Alberta. This one. Oh, not anything. Watercourse. Save. Run. Okay. Okay, now it's good. Okay, I don't want this one. Remove. Okay, now it's okay. That one is rename. Water body. And this one is rivers. Rename or water course. Let's see one thing. Okay, now it is good. Okay, we have the lakes and we have the rivers, and now we are going to add the cities. Okay, then here vectorial rows, go to lesson 2. Oh, we want to add the roads. Let me check. Open and open. Okay, now I would like to see the other one, how it looks like. I'm going to take this one and this one, this one. Okay, row ferry. Okay, I'm not interested in this one. Remove. And also I don't want to add the track segment. Let me check. Remove. And the last one, it was the rail. Open. I'm not interested also. Then I'm going to do the same for the road segment. I'm going to cut with the province of Alberta, but I'm going to pass faster because I don't want to make a very long video. Okay, but the procedures are going to be the same as the other ones. Okay. Okay, we have all the highways for the province of Alberta. Now I'm going to add the cities and towns. I'm going to change the name for that one. Towns. And I want cities also. Okay. Now I am going to edit the colors. For that ones are going to be a blue one. This one here. Okay. And that ones are going to be the rivers. It's going to be in blue one also. Okay, apply. And for the highways, that ones are going to be in black, for example. And for the towns, that kind of green is good. And for the cities, it's going to be kind of yellow. Apply. Okay. Now I'm going to change the name for that one. Cancel. Going to call that one rename Alberta. And I'm going to change some things here. I'm going to make this line thicker. Just go here. Outline weight is going to be 5. Apply. And for the highway, I'm going to make the line thicker. Apply. That's too much. Let's go to see like this. Apply. Okay, that's not bad. I don't want to see too much lines. And now what I'm going to do is add the name of the cities and towns. To do that one, go city, properties, here in labels. As you can see at the attribute table, open attribute table, we have the names here. Well, I'm going to edit this table because I don't like city of. I want to remove city of, okay, but I'm going to pass the video faster. Just click the pencil here, double click, and you can remove everything like this, okay. To finish the edition, click on the pencil again, save, and I'm going to do the same for the towns. Click right, open attribute tables. Okay, that one is going to take longer. I'm going to pass the video faster, okay guys? Then click on the pencil again to finish. Save, going to close this one, and I'm going to save the project. Save as here, lesson 2. Save. Now we are going to add the name of the cities and the towns. Let's go to start with the cities. Click right, go properties. Then at the different options, we are going to select labels. Put here show labels for this layer. Then we have to select the field. As you know, cancel, we have different fields. Open attribute tables, we have all these fields. The field we want is that one, geo name. Then properties, labels, show the labels. The field is going to be geo name. Okay, apply. Now you can see the name of the cities. Then we have all these options to edit. Okay, it's good to put here Arial back or black, I don't remember the name. Arial black, okay. The size 7. Apply. You can see the names there. There are different options, you can play with that ones, okay. I'm going to put a buffer for 0.5. Apply. But first I would like to change the color of this one. Style. I'm going to put a apply. Sorry, is this here? Fill this one. Apply. Fill. That's very dark. Something like this one is okay. We was here, city, properties, labels. I'm going to put a shadow. Apply, something like that, it's okay. And I'm going to make the letters bigger, like 8. Apply. Okay, and one important thing for the labels is to give them what kind of priority. Okay, placement. Now I don't have the option to priority, or oh yeah, here priority. Okay, we want to see the name of the cities first, you know, because for the towns there are going to be a lot of towns, but we want to see the cities first. Okay, that's the reason, because the priority. Okay, apply. Now let's go to add the name of the towns. It's going to be the same, and I'm going to pass the video faster. Okay, guys. And now I would like to add the name of the province of Alberta. I'm going to do the same. Okay. That's very important. 0 and minus 200,000, because you have 0, 0. You see it goes to the middle, but if you want to put here at the top, you have to put here minus 200,000. Apply. Or even 50 if you go up, like this. And also for this one, the priority is going to be the maximum. Apply. And okay. Now we have all the labels with the name of the cities and everything. Also, we can apply for more effects on this layer on Alberta. Go to Style, then check this box here. Go to the bottom. You can have to click this box, Draw Effects. Go here. For example, you can add a shadow. Okay. Apply. You can see now the shadow. Okay, and that's it for this map. Now we are going to export as an image. Just press this button here. Print, new print composer. Okay, and add the map, add a new map. Sorry, but we want to put that one like this one. We are going to talk about this kind of compositions in other lesson. That's the perfect scale for this map. And now we are going to export as an image. High resolution. We have our image here. As you can see, it's a really good map with very high resolution, with the rivers, highways, name of the cities, lakes. Okay, that's the map for this lesson. See you on the next lesson.